Probably the most fantastic moment related to the installation was that first bill that I got after the system was turned on. We basically had somewhere between a $50 credit and a $150 credit every month since the system was turned on. So it's been a significant change in what our electricity bill has been. Probably the thing that stood out the most to me regarding Solar Tops as I was talking to them and as we went through the whole process was just how thorough and complete they were. Any questions I had, they got me all the information. Once the installation was completed, we just got lots of good feedback. Your warranty was better, especially the labor component of the warranty. Your panels were just much more efficient per dollar I was going to spend than anybody else that I looked at. You guys took care of everything.